Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Adobe XD file in Figma, step by step. First, open your Adobe XD project. Select all the artboards or specific design elements you want to transfer. Then, navigate to the File menu, choose Export, and select all artboards or selected as SVG. This creates a scalable vector graphics file, which is crucial for maintaining design fidelity. Ensure you save it to an easily accessible location on your computer. Before importing, it is a good practice to quickly review your exported SVG file. Sometimes, XD exports can include hidden layers or complex groups that might not translate perfectly. You can open the SVG in a text editor or another vector tool to check for any extraneous code. Simplifying complex paths or removing unused elements can significantly improve the import process and reduce potential errors in Figma. Now, let's move to Figma. Open your Figma application and either create a new design file or open an existing one where you wish to place your XD content. The simplest way to import is to drag and drop your SVG file directly from your computer's File Explorer onto the Figma canvas. Alternatively, you can go to the File menu, select Place Image/Video, and then choose your SVG file. Figma will then process and display your design. Once your design is in Figma, it is essential to perform some post-import adjustments. Check for any font mismatches. You might need to reapply specific fonts available in Figma or install new ones. Verify that all images and assets have transferred correctly. You may also need to reorganize layers, group elements, or convert imported shapes into Figma components for better organization and future editing. This final step ensures your design is fully functional and editable within Figma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.